For learning disabilities in motor skills, dyspraxia. Motor difficulty problems with movement and coordination, whether it is with fine motor skills, cutting, writing, running, jumping. A motor disability is sometimes referred to as an output activity, meaning that it relates to the output of information from the brain. A disorder that is characterized by difficulty in muscle control, which causes problems with movement and coordination, language and speech, and can affect learning, although not a learning disability. Dyspraxia often exists along with dyslexia, dyscalculia, or ADHD. Signs and symptoms of dyspraxia. One, exhibits poor balance, may appear clumsy, may frequently stumble. Second, shows difficulty with motor planning. 3, demonstrate inability to coordinate both sides of the body. Four, has poor hand-eye coordination. 5, exhibits weakness in the ability to organize self and belongings. 6, shows possible sensitivity to touch. 7, may be distressed by loud noises or constant noise like the ticking of a clock or someone tapping a pencil. 8, may break things or choose toys that do not require skilled manipulation. 9, has difficulty with fine motor tasks such as coloring between the lines, putting puzzles together, cutting accurately or pasting neatly. 10, irritated by scratchy, raw, tight or heavy clothing. Strategies to overcome dyspraxia. First, preset students for touch with verbal prompts. I am going to touch your right hand. Second, avoid touching from behind or getting too close, and make sure peers are aware of this. Three, provide a quiet place without auditory or visual distractions. For testing, silent reading, or work that requires great concentration. 4. Warm the student when bells will ring, or if a fire drill is scheduled. 5. Whisper when working one to one with the child. 6. Allow parents to avoid earplugs or sterile waxes for noisy events such as assemblies. 7. Make sure that the parent knows about what is observed about the student in the classroom. 8. Refer student for occupational therapy. Sensory integration training. 9. Be cognizant of light and light sources that may be irritating to child. 10. Use manipulative but make sure they are in students' field of vision and do not force student to touch them. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.